There are businesses that regardless of the economy, trends or competition, they would always mint money for the owners. These are businesses that people will always need. Some of them are businesses that a lot of people are not even aware of, but they are blowing up in 2025. This is the perfect time to get in and dominate. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 7 that are practically fail-proof. Whether you're starting with small capital or you have enough money to start an empire, I got ya. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to put your money and energy for guaranteed success in 2025. The part 1 of this video blew up with a lot of you owing at the amazing business ideas, sharing it with your gang. Hold on till you hear the ones I'm about to share with you today. And if you have not seen that first video, I'm going to link it on the description. Watch it after this one. Welcome to the community where we discuss side hustle, business ideas, passive income, generally how to build wealth. If that's the kind of thing you love to hear, hit the subscribe button right away. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a certified finance instructor, but most importantly, the angel that is about to review to you your multi-million business. Shall we? Please, one favor, could you help me hit that like button on this video? It means a lot to me. Thank you. Number 1 business idea for 2025 is car refurbish. They call it car edits, abi car upgrade. So one of my cousins, he stays in Onitsha, but there was one time he came to Lagos. He said he's coming to learn work. What is he coming to learn? Car upgrade, how to upgrade a car. Things they occur. Do you know these people can take like a 2028 car model and turn it a 2024 model? Like they will turn your car. Some of the cars you see in the streets, they are not what they seem to be. Oh, maybe they don't go upgrade the car. I honestly didn't know that this was a thing. I think a lot of people would know, but I don't think there are so many people into that line of business at this point. We have so many mechanics and everything, but you see car refurbish, it is a lot of money. So when I was doing the research for this video, I came across an interview on Punch. So this man, that is what he does. He stays in Enugu. This is his business. And when he was asked how much he started the business with 100,000 naira. And now the interviewer asked him like how many cars has he worked on. He said he couldn't count. Plenty, because the demand for this. And do you know why I think it is going to blow up even more this year? The economy is not smiling. Have you seen the cost of buying a new car? 2 of my friends bought cars in December. It was not funny. Even the smallest one. Me that say I'm going to change car. Oh God, I beg. Not yet. So people are looking for alternatives. If you don't have money to buy a car, can we upgrade the ones we have? Let's say for instance, me that have a plan of buying car, but looking at the cost, I can decide to like because take my old car as she is working years. Just that I needed to. I want to upgrade it to a latest model. So that is one business people should be considering, and the potential for growth. The interview I was referring to, that man said he started with 100,000, but today he has more than 30 professional staff, not the one that just doing minor work. More than 30 people he's paying, and they are even looking. The next step is to become an assembly plant. He was like, he mentioned Innocent, just the way Innocent does, from a business of 100,000. And this interview was like 2 years ago when Starkman never hold people like that. Imagine now that people are desperate looking for alternative line of action. Car refurbishing is one business I count on. So if this is something you want to start, I encourage you, just like my cousin that came to where it is happening. I think Lagos is like a depot for them. The man I was referring to, he said he traveled abroad. I think it was India or Dubai. I can't remember the exact country he mentioned, that he traveled abroad to learn. But you can come to Lagos. Lagos, we learn plenty things here. You can learn from here. Just find the people that are into that line of business if it is something you want to consider. Number 2 business ideas that I think is great, and this one is evergreen. You see skincare, blood money. There is this article that a 20-year-old lady, I remember when that thing trended, a 20-year-old girl in skincare made $1 million in 8 minutes. Let me repeat it. $1 million in 8 minutes. See, you see women, we don't play with our skincare. I feel they broke like this, but you see skincare, I will buy skincare. So in December, before I traveled, I'm like, January, you know how January used to be now. It used to be a dry period money-wise. I say, let me stock up on skincare because December, everyone is on solve. There is bonus from work, FinTribe savings. Are you in FinTribe? The community of women that saved and invested more than 2 billion last year. If you're not in FinTribe and you're a woman, what are you waiting for? Membership is totally free. That's by the way. So in December, I said I was going to buy my skincare need for the year. I think it's the one that will serve me for New Year. I bought a lot of it too, and there were also sales and all of that. I packed a lot of skincare. Ladies and gentlemen who came back in January and realized that, I need this, so I need that, so I think I want to change to this line of skincare. Jennifer has ordered another set of skin. Hey, See, money wise, sometimes for some of us, reach skincare. So skincare, I really think is a ripe industry. There are many skincare brands out there, but look at their pages. See when they're doing sales. Even you place an order, see how long it takes, because the demand is high, and it's a consumable. You buy a cream, how many weeks is finished, you are buying another one. And these days, the trick, Nigerians are favoring Korean products. Number one, it gets the job done. Number two, it's more affordable, and people are running away from maybe organics or something, unless that's the line you want to go into. But me, if I want to start skincare business, I'm going into Korean product to start importing, not even making. So this one is not even the one you say, I'm not an what's that line, you didn't study it in school, or you don't know about that. You don't have to make it yourself. The way I think the real money is right now is Korean product. Consider that. So to start, I think you could, one easy way to do this, enter the market. If you're in Lagos, go to trade fair, that's their depot, but find the people that actually import authentic. There are a lot of fake products in the market, but find the people that import authentic products. Buy from them. You don't have to start importing right now. I don't know how much you have. You can even do drop shipping. You snap picture, collect money, then go to the market and order, right? So a lot of your faves, they go to trade fair. They are not importing anything. They go to trade fair and buy from those business importers there, right? Just make sure you're buying from the right person. Now, as you grow, you can begin to reach out to some of these companies direct. Yes, some of them you can actually get into an official partnership with them. Research what it takes, but like I say, start buying first from importers. Number 3 top businesses for 2025. You see solar, renewable energy, inverter, panel. Hey. See, I don't know about you. Have they moved you to band A? A little story. I think it was last year, 2023. I recharged 300k for lights. That thing took me for months. For the unit, I got 4,000 something units. Then I was on my own. They said they're moving us to band A. Now, last year, when they moved us to band A, the same 300k I recharged. Guess how many units I got? 1,400. And what I did before, I was so bad. I'm like, who said, what am I doing with band A? What? I don't reach the use band A. But one thing that has really helped me, I think one of my best purchases in my house is my inverter. I have an inverter. So what happens now is, of course, it's light, but if they take light, I don't have to go and be on Jane. Since I got that inverter, I won't even lie to you. Before then, I think I spent about 15k on fuel weekly. That time, this was when fuel was like, how much is it? 300 and or something. Now that it's 1,000 something. But since I got that inverter, I could buy fuel of 20,000 and it will last, because most times, of course, we do have light, but when light goes, there is inverter. If you now add solar on top, it's expensive. But my inverter was actually cheap. I stay in a small apartment. Then I bought the inverter like 250,000, and now I know it must have gone up. If you need my contact, I'll share the contact of my plug if you need it. I don't know how much they sell now, and depending on the size of your apartments, right? So you see, inverter, solar, a lot of people are exploring that niche, because everything is fuel is very expensive now. Even the light itself, NEPA light, is also expensive. If you can consider this business, that is where people are moving to. You could be the one taking our money. Number 4 business opportunity. This one is evergreen. Evergreen is land. You see, real estate, land in particular. So I was discussing with my uncle one time, because me personally, before now, I do mostly more of treasury bill, commercial paper, stock. I'm not really much into real estate like that before now, because I feel like if you are younger, real estate needs quite some money. But if you are younger, you are just starting, you are building your capital, maybe the amount you have, small money, at least you can buy stock with 10,000, 50,000, all of that. So for me, I felt like I'm still building up. And then I was having this discussion with my uncle, and he knows what I can do. He knows that now I can afford at least to an extent some land. But when I was not telling him that I'm not really big on land or something, he said something that struck me. He was like, okay, when it comes to investments, let's say you don't want to do real estate. Maybe you want to do filling station. Maybe you want to do event center. Maybe you want to do hotel or something. To do any of these, what are you going to build it on? Land. Land. So people are saying, I want to start this, I want to start that. The first thing they are going to buy is land. You could buy it for yourself, maybe to use and construct something later, or you could buy it to sell to some people that want to construct. So you see, land is an evergreen. Even the Bible said it. Like, land is one bankable business. I remember in my previous video in this community, I mentioned the land we got last year. I came together with my friends, 10 of them. We bought the land, and I'm like, can't we start doing something like that in this community? Because you see, this year, funny enough, many people indicated interest, like co-investing, that we can come together. Let's just go beyond being just a YouTube community. Can we make this money together? A lot of people indicated interest, so that's all like money in this community. So what we are going to do now is actually encourage me to go into work. I'm doing some background work at the moment, because now you need to be very careful. You need to get lawyers to make sure. But what I'm going to leave the link to a wait list. Let's start this. If you think you would want to join us when we are ready on co-investing, buying a plot of land for yourself or whatever, I'm going to drop the link. Just go there, drop your name and your email address in the link. I will pin it in the comments. I will also pin it in the description. Just drop your email there, so that when we are ready, because for now I'm still trying to do some background work. The one we did last year with my friends, it went so well. It was amazing. So this time around, when we see something that works, doing a lot of consultation, I will reach out, send an email. For now, how much I don't know. We're going to start with land, and most likely it's going to be maybe a bear side or something. I don't know yet, because I know a lot of us don't have so much money, but depending. Okay, maybe anyway, just fill the link. If anything, I will let you know. 2025 in this community, we are coming for the money. We are coming for the money. The fifth business idea, this one I discussed it in the last video. There is a reason I'm also bringing it up here again, because this is like a low-hanging fruit that should be making everybody money. Digital products. I say it all the time, like, this is something you do just once. There's a lot of opportunity to make money from this. You do it just once. That's one of the best passive income you can create for yourself. Digital products. I am an investment banker. It's not an easy work, but my salary no come close to the money I make from digital products. And the thing is that this season, people are inquisitive. Nigerians, we want to learn, we want to know. So that thing you know, package it, sell it to us, eat our money, collect our money. Why are many people not exploring this? In fact, it's one of the reasons I say that in our upcoming 2025 1 year workshop, that's one of the things we are going to discuss. Before now, mostly, of course, the main core is going to be investment, where we'll be discussing the best investment for 2025 at the workshop. But after that, I'm going to share my screen. From start to finish, we're going to create an ebook. I will show you how you don't even need to know what to write. You don't even need to know how to write. You see, ebook creation. After that workshop, you're going to create your own. That's why, if you have not joined the workshop by now, what are you waiting for? You know, like better thing. It's only $8,500, less than $7. I will pin the link to join in the description. Join us. The workshop is coming up on January 31st. After that, it's going to be replay if you miss it. No problem. But join today, $8,500, before the price will change you. So yes, digital product as something you should consider. It can be an ebook. It can be a recorded webinar. It can be templates. Yes, it can be templates. It can be even like, you know, that goal setting templates now. There is a template for different things. I remember there was a time I used to sell templates to small business owners for their bookkeeping, profit and loss. You buy it, you start plugging in your income, your expenses, and all of that. Even calculators. Yes, you remember the calculator we use for savings bond. If you are in the World Business Academy, you get that calculator. But it's something that I can decide to sell. In fact, I know someone that sells it, and I know how much they're selling it. So some of these things are digital products you can make just once. Like the example I gave before, the ebook I created, is it in 2020? This is 2025. I have not gone back to that ebook since then. I just uploaded it there. It has been making me money, and all of those are what you will see at the workshop. So please, digital products, consider them this year. People are willing to buy. The next best business idea for 2025, shortlets. Shortlets are becoming a hot cake right now. Jesus. For instance, my team, FinTribe, a community of money-minded women, is an organization I run. I have my staff. We did team bonding and strategy section. We went out for a weekend. The shortlet we rented was 350,000 per night. 350,000 per night, my dear. 3 nights is like 1 million plus. This is an apartment that's on a normal. If it's going for rent, it don't go past 5 million. It's on the island. That apartment cannot pass 5 million. But they put it in short length. That's in 1 month, like in less than 1 month, you will make more than your 1 year rental income. And a lot of people are knowing this, that they know this now. See what's happening in Christmas period, all the short lengths are fully booked. In fact, even the one we used before, we found one, Hey, because more and more people are beginning to use this more than hotel. I think we call it Airbnb. More people are beginning to explore this option, and you don't even need to be the one to manage it. There are organizations that manage short-let apartments for people. Your own is to get it, hand them over the keys. You agree on the percentage they will be remitting to you. So yes, if you can consider rental, short rental apartment, it is a lot of money. But please, as much as possible, find key areas, like area that people can easily access. Is also a selling point. The next business opportunity to explore is delivery service. See, more and more people are embracing e-commerce. When was the last time you went to the market? A lot of us are now ordering things online. There are the standard platforms like the Jumia, the Gigi and Co. There are everyone and their cousins selling on Instagram now, right? E-commerce is becoming a thing, and the heart of that business is delivery service. If you realize, business owners, they struggle with this thing. There are so many delivery companies out there, but it is not enough. That's why somebody will order an item, 1 week it has not gotten to you, because I don't know, nobody has yet hacked this delivery thing. And if it's a business you're going to explore, position yourself. And you know the beautiful thing, you can come in as an individual, a self-delivery agent. I think I have a video that I discussed this. You don't even need a bike. You can be using, platform like Uber, what are the boats? They have delivery packages now. You can get order. Use this platform. Your own, maybe the platform will charge you 2K. You charge 3K. You do the delivery and take your money. Or if you have the time, you can do it yourself. You don't need a bike. Jump bus, God. This year, there are so many ways we could make money, just if you are willing. But if you want it on a bigger scale, warning, be ready. Hey! Dispatchers will stress you, but you need a good management to track these things. If you get it right, there is so much money to be made, because you are positioning to be the one to service this e-commerce business that is blowing up, right? You are playing a key role for them. They need you to survive. And as that business is growing, because small brick and mortar businesses are going out, online businesses are taking over e-commerce, and then you're also positioning to be the one to service them. So there is a lot of money to be made. It has been in vogue. That business has been on for a long time, but it is even getting better and bigger in 2025. So there you have it, the businesses I just explore. Oh, one thing, in the previous video we discussed Unbossed perfumes, and a lot of people were really amazed, because some people didn't know about the Unbossed perfume thing. I told you, the perfume I use, like I bought that perfume, if you go to Essenza, is like 450k. I got that perfume from Unbossed lady when she was doing sales at 8 something, I think it was 85,000 or thereabout, and it was the authentic one, right? So Unbossed perfume is an item we discussed on the previous video, and so many people were asking for contact, if I could share. I replied some people on the comment, but if you need the contact for Unbossed perfume, either to buy or you want to go into that line of business, no problem, just let me know in the comments. I will share it with you. Money cheerleader day for you. What do you want to do? I am here to support you. So what other business do you think is doing well and will continue to do well this year? You know how we do it in this community now. Share with us in the comment section. Let's learn from you as well. So I'm going to link some of the videos we've done before on passive income ideas, business ideas, side hustle ideas, because this year, please, everybody, you need multiple streams of income. Go to the description now, watch those videos, and most importantly, don't forget, if you want to be part of the co-investing in property in lands when we start, fill up the link, and I'm going to see you in the other videos. You will see this year 2025. By December 2025, I promise you one thing, as a member of this community, you are going to come back to with testimony on how 2025 was your best money year ever, on God.